In today's video, I am going to teach you how to enable Apple Pay in Stripe. Start by making sure you are already logged into your Stripe dashboard. Once you are on the dashboard, go to the top right corner of the screen and click the Settings icon. This will open your account settings, where you can manage payment options and other account features. From the Settings area, find and click Payment Methods. This section shows the payment methods that are available for your Stripe account. Scroll through the list until you locate Apple Pay. When you find it, click Enable next to Apple Pay to begin the setup. At this point, Stripe may ask you to enter your website domain. If prompted, type in the domain where your checkout page is hosted. Make sure the domain is correct, since Stripe uses this information to verify that Apple Pay can be used on your site. After entering your domain, continue to the domain verification process. Stripe will provide on-screen instructions for this step. Follow those instructions carefully to complete the verification. This process confirms that your website is properly connected and authorized to use Apple Pay. Once the verification is complete, click Save to apply your changes. This will activate Apple Pay in your Stripe payment settings. The next part is to confirm that everything is working correctly on your website. Open your website's checkout page using Safari on a supported Apple device. Apple Pay will only appear in supported browsers and devices, so this part is important for testing. Begin a test checkout and move through the checkout flow as a customer would. During the payment step, check that Apple Pay appears as one of the available payment options. If it is displayed correctly, that means Apple Pay has been enabled successfully in Stripe and is ready for use on your site. If Apple Pay does not appear, go back and double-check that the domain was entered correctly and that the verification process was completed without errors. In most cases, that is where the issue comes from. Once you have confirmed that Apple Pay is showing during checkout, the setup is complete. Your customers will now be able to use Apple Pay for faster and more convenient payments on supported Apple devices. Thank you for watching. That covers everything you need to know.